All right, another maintenance thing I need to do today. If you didn't see the oil filter change video, that one's pretty short. I did that right before what I'm getting ready to do now, but I'll remember in a previous video, it was bush hogging, and I showed a little video of all the grass and everything that's piles up in between just the regular radiator, transmission cooler, heat exchanger, all that stuff. I've already pulled out this filter from the very front that hangs, this filter that slides out from the opposite side. So I clean those, but man, there's still a lot of stuff that just stays in there, and it really gets around those filters. I really don't like the setup for the filters, but what I'm going to do is blow these out with a leaf blower, and then very lightly use the air compressor. I don't want to put that up against the fins on this. You don't want to bend them, but let's see what the leaf blower does. By the way, this is just finally bought one of the Ryobi battery powered ones, and honestly it's been pretty nice. I just took it on a job with me this week, and it was just nice for blowing some gravel back in the road to clean up. No fuel to mess with, so let's see how well this cleans it out. See if I can get in behind this thing a little bit more. It's still not taking out as much as I want. All right, let's switch over to the other side. Maybe another angle will have some more material we can get. There we go. A little bit more. I'm gonna go get the small compressor, not small compressor, but the small nozzle, and it's got the bleed holes in it. I really don't want too much pressure, so we're just gonna do some light moving around here. And we'll also go ahead and check the air filter, see how that was doing after I cleaned that once in the field, but we'll check that again. All right, even after doing that while I was out in the field, I can already see this thing is dirty. A lot of dust. So this Donaldson filter, I'll take it out. I'm probably going to be able to shake. Yeah, there's a good bit there. What I'll do is I'll shake some of the excess off. Actually, tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the leaf blower and stick it inside and blow it out. Yeah, let's try that. All right, got it on to the end of the electric leaf blower. Just kind of lightly there. I'm going to just hold it against the tire. Let's see what it does. I actually have a wind. That's why I'll get some stuff away. Nice. That actually did quite well. All right, that blew out some from the inside. Now I've actually taken the air hose lightly to the inside. We're getting a little bit more out. A little bit. But enough has come out. I'm going to go from the outside up and down all the way around, and you'll see some more come off. All right, you kind of get the point there. I'm going to turn off the video so I don't really waste time loading things, but that helps a little bit more. But you are pushing down into the filter, so go on a reverse at the end and you should be fine. But some of the things to carry probably in your tool, if you're traveling somewhere to do some work, I would carry an extra air filter and several different things. But if you just really got some moisture, a little bit of dryness, just where it really gets a substance where it cakes it, that's going to be really hard to clean out in the field. So maybe just carry an extra one. You can clean it when you get back. All in all, pretty easy. All the little pre-screens are back in, hanging on the front here, and slid in from the other side. This one here. But if there's some places, I never look up close, man. I don't even want to get the nozzle in there close because I really don't want to bend fins. But this is one of those things. I think I was doing more bush hogging. I'll periodically need to pull the battery out, really go through a little bit more of a wash. maybe make something for the back of this to blow it outward some. But when I go maybe at 100 hours, something like that, if I start to think about trying to do a review on this tractor, I don't think it'd be fair to get one in 25 hours, your review. I mean, you haven't really even done maintenance on it yet, and you can get some first opinions, but the more I operate and the different styles of operation, I'm getting some more ideas of comments I'd like for somebody else to hear. It's very positive. I love the tractor, but this is one of those things I will mention that I don't like this pre-screening system here. It is not good enough. It really needs something that encases down around here to really keep the stuff off of this system before it pulls around the sides. Even when this sucks in, you're still getting it on the sides there, and it still escapes around the sides and starts sucking around the backside into the fins. So that needs something different. That looks fairly complex to have to shape a thing. Maybe some type of a screen, you know, on this bar on the outside that could mount there. Something else, I don't know. I have to go on the drawing board one day with that. But keep those suckers cleaned out. You'll see some overheating. Your heat and air conditioning will not be as efficient working inside. Transmission cooler, everything. I mean, there's a lot that's really working on this area, so keep her clean.